If you're a beginner trying to beat the dreaded Office install error, you need this simple step-by-step guide. Say goodbye to frustration. Let's get you up and running. First up, Administrator Privileges. Right-click your installer file, yep, the one called setup.x, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the superpowers it needs to do its thing. Next, check your configuration file. The error probably means Office can't find its map, aka configuration.xml. Open this file with Notepad and double-check the path inside the tag. Typos here are sneakier than a cat at midnight, so check closely. Also, if you're using the Office deployment tool, make sure your installation command points to the right file. Still stuck? Let's go pro with the Office deployment tool. Download it from Microsoft's official site, extract everything into one folder, and make your tweaks in configuration.xml. Then, open Command Prompt as administrator, navigate to your folder, and run setup.x/configure configuration.xml. That's it. No magic wands, just a few clicks. You've got this. Now go conquer that error.